Here's the English translation. Have you ever thought about how hard it is to wake up early in the morning? Every time, this same question comes to my mind. Will I be able to wake up tomorrow morning and do everything I plan to? Today I'm going to share some tips with you that are changing my mornings. It's 11 p.m. The alarm is set for 5 a.m. There's excitement in your mind. Everything changes from tomorrow. And what happens at 5 a.m. is exactly what happens every single time. Snooze, snooze, then snooze again. Want the truth? It's not your fault. 99% of people who try to wake up early give up by the third day, because they don't know the one thing I'm about to tell you today. And it's the fifth trick that decides whether this habit lasts a week or a lifetime. So watch the video till the end. Let's get started. At night, the intention is always strong. Tomorrow I'll definitely wake up early. And when the alarm rings in the morning, that same intention gets buried under the pillow. Then all day long, one question keeps circling in your mind. Why am I so lazy? Stop. You're not lazy. You just haven't found the right system yet. 6 methods. Today, right now. Let's begin with the first one. Method 1. Create distance. Asterisk. Keep your phone and alarm away from your bed, far enough that you have to get up to turn it off. Just this one act, getting up and walking, loosens sleep's grip. And choose an alarm tone that reminds you why waking up today matters. The first sound you hear in the morning sets the mood your mind wakes up in. Method 2. Prepare at night. Asterisk. The truth is, the morning's victory is decided the night before. Put your phone aside half an hour before sleeping. Dim the room's lights. Write down on paper. This is what I need to do tomorrow morning. This small habit prepares your mind in advance. The moment your eyes open, you already know the next step. And even if you go to bed late, still wake up on time. Within 2 or 3 days, your body adjusts on its own. Method 3. The first 10 minutes matter most. Asterisk. When the alarm rings, don't pick up your phone. Drink a glass of water. Turn on the lights. Move around a little. Do some jumping jacks, or take 2 laps around the room. Water, light, and movement together wake the body up instantly. These first 10 minutes decide whether the whole day feels light or heavy. Method 4. Decide your reason. Asterisk. No one wakes up without a reason. The alarm rings, and the mind asks, why should I get up? If there's no answer, sleep wins every time. So write it down the night before. Tomorrow morning I will do this, exercise, study, or work on some small dream of mine. When the mind knows something special is waiting in the morning, it prepares itself automatically. Method 5. If you miss a day, don't stop. Asterisk. This is the one thing most people don't understand, and that's exactly why their habit breaks. Everyone slips up sometime, me too, you too. But remember one rule. Never miss 2 days in a row. Missing 1 day is fine. Missing 2 days, and the habit starts to break. So if you couldn't wake up yesterday, wake up today, even if just for 10 minutes. Getting back up is the real victory. Keep repeating this for 25 days, and waking up becomes effortless on its own. Method 6. Turn morning into a reward. Asterisk. Tea, music, or just sunlight coming through the window. Whatever brings you peace. Your mind needs to feel that waking up isn't a punishment, it's a reward. I remember, waking up early used to be hard for me too. But when I started my morning with a cup of tea and a good book, everything changed. Now mornings feel like a gift. And just this small change transformed everything. One important note. To wake up early, you don't need to cut sleep. You need to improve sleep quality. Keep the room cool. Dim the lights before sleeping. Keep a fixed bedtime. And at night, don't think, I have to wake up. Think, I will wake up. The mind works much better on that kind of trust. A day will come when everyone else is asleep, and you'll be working on your dreams. In that morning silence, you'll understand for yourself. Waking up early isn't just a habit, it's a power. And this power can start tonight. So friends, remember, keep the clock far away, prepare at night, embrace water, light, and movement, have a solid reason to wake up, get back up even if you miss a day, and turn mornings into a reward. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and send it to that friend of yours who always says, just 5 more minutes. See you in the next video.